Hi guys, in this review, I'm going to share useful tips before your first usage of Ninja 5 Quart air fryers. I'm going to cook shrimp tempura in a very healthy way. First, let's check the menu. The main unit, non-dishwasher. The only dishwasher is the basket and the crispy plate. First thing, make sure you deep wash the crispy plate and the basket. Also remove all the tags. Let's hand wash this basket and crisper plate before the first usage. Using some kitchen detergent, have warm water, deep clean it. Now we're ready for our first meal with shrimp tempura. On the back side, it says air fryers, 375 Fahrenheit, 4 minutes in, turn it off, and flip, give another 4 minutes cooking. We'll put it on, we'll just put 6 tempura and put it in. We're ready for first usage. Push the on and off button and select air fryer options. Set the temperature to 375 Fahrenheit and make the timer is 4 minutes. Click on. Right after that, you can see a very noise that indicating the unit is working. And let's wait 4 minutes and then it's done. You can hear the ding sound. Let's put it up. Very crispy. This is only halfway based on the menu. And then just flip around and put it back and turn the main unit back on. Set temperature 375 Fahrenheit and using another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, it's fully done. This time, it's fully done. Look at this golden color, very crispy sound. Let's cut it in half. This is very nice. It's actually a very healthy way. The reason if you pull the crispy plate, you can see all the oil dripping on the basket. This is the healthy way, much better way when you're using your oven. Last but not least, I also want to share the open box review. You can see the component included in the package. Let's open it up, pull everything out of the package. Very secure package, all the foams, and also all the protective plastic wrapper. Menu. This is the menu, give all the details. This is actually another recipe that for the air fryers. They also has 2 tips to secure the basket and put it up. You can see this crispy plate with the silicone on the corner. Very nice. This is the 5 quart. This is the must-have for the kitchen unit. Consume much less energy than your oven. Really like it. 5-star from us. Thank you.